Welcome to X-Pro CAD, pioneers in 3D design, mechanical engineering, and management consultancy. Founded with passion and expertise, we've been transforming visions into reality since 2016. At X-Pro, our mission is clear: to empower businesses and creative endeavors through cutting-edge solutions. Innovation, precision, and collaboration are more than values to us. They're the driving force behind every project we undertake. Led by a desire to simplify complexity, our process unfolds in 4 seamless steps. Concept design. Ideas take shape as we sketch the initial vision, balancing innovation with practicality. 3D modeling. Precision models bring the concept into a detailed 3-dimensional space. Engineering rigor ensures the design is functional, safe, and ready for real-world use. Prototyping and manufacturing. Prototypes materialize concepts, leading to efficient, quality manufacturing. Welcome to X-Pro, where your ideas meet expertise, shaping a future of limitless possibilities.